Side dishes are so delicious and they complement a meal. But this one right here is so delicious, it will make a meal by itself. Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Welcome back to my channel. Always good to have you here. So today I'm sharing with you this simple recipe of a vegetable rice, easy to put together. Let's start it. So this is a side dish that is as much about the rice that we are going to use, basmati, about 2 cups, as the vegetables that go with the dish. I have a butternut squash here. It's in season here. We are in winter, so that's a winter favorite. Some vegetables that are readily available in my local supermarket. I have an onion and a garlic, a ginger, and then I have some parsley here, some cilantro, and these are curry leaves. I get these from the local Indian store. I really love to use. They infuse very good flavors to dishes. As for the spices, I have cumin, coriander, I have some thyme, some turmeric, some black pepper, chili powder, and some salt. So first things first, I'm going to rinse this basmati rice. Once the rice is clean, I'm going to set it aside and prep the vegetables. First, I'll break some cloves of garlic here, enough to make a tablespoon. Once the garlic is all smashed and peeled, just go ahead and chop it. If you have a garlic press, you can go ahead and use it. I will gather my garlic. Next, I'll take a knob of ginger here. Need about a tablespoon, so this should be enough. Our ginger is done, about a tablespoon. Next, 1 red onion. Go ahead and dice it. Onions done. So next I need like half a cup of peppers. So I'm going to mix red, yellow, and orange. Cut a piece of each. Save the rest for a future use. As always, this I need to dice, just like so. So peppers go into the container. 1 carrot here. Carrots done. I need just about a cup of our butternut squash. So all we need to do is go down. Maybe a little bit more. I'm never shy when it comes to vegetables. Butternut squash done, nicely diced. So I'm going to get some of these curry leaves here, about that much. Fold them and make a chiffonade. Put them on the side. This is my cilantro and parsley. I will save the stems. So our prep is all done here. Time to go start cooking. So heat a medium-sized pan. Add some vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is heated, I will add my onion. Cook them until they start getting some color. Season the onions with some salt and pepper. Once the onion has sweated slightly and starting to get some color, I will add about a tablespoon of my garlic, a tablespoon of ginger. Let these sweat a little bit to release their flavors. And then now I'll go in with my spices. Cumin, coriander, a tablespoon. A half a teaspoon of turmeric for some color. This is half a teaspoon of thyme. A pinch of chili flakes or chili powder, that is optional. Give this a stir. This smells good already. Next, I will go in with my vegetables, butternut squash, carrots, and the peppers. Give everything a stir here. These are beautiful colors. So this makes a perfect vegetarian dish, by the way. I will add some of my curry leaves and some of the cilantro and parsley. Put a lid on this, cook it slightly until the vegetables soften a little bit. We will come back after about 5 minutes. We will lift up the lid here and check our vegetables. Look at all those beautiful colors in there. So we are going to splash this with just a little bit of water, like a quarter cup. We want to make sure that the butternut squash, because they take longer, and the carrots, they soften a little bit before we add the rice. So we'll come back here, open the pot. We need to check the vegetables here, especially the butternut squash and the carrots. We want to make sure at this point that we don't cook them all the way, because if we do so, they'll be mushy by the time the rice is done. So all we want to make sure is that they are nice and soft, so that we have some texture. So they feel good to me. Now add the rice. This is 2 cups basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I like basmati. It makes perfect rice for me. Give it a stir. Add 1.5 of the container that I used to measure the rice with. So because this is 2 cups rice, so I will need 3 cups of water. Give this a stir, mix everything nice, bring this to a boil. I will increase the heat here. So once this comes to a boil, I will open, check the seasoning, adjust it if necessary. So our rice has come back to a boil here. I'm going to open the lid just for a second. Give it one more stir. Check for the seasoning. Just a touch of salt. I'll put the lid back, lower the heat to the lowest setting. Cook this for about 18 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked and the vegetables are cooked and all the liquid is absorbed. So I set a timer for 18 minutes. It's gone off. Open the lid here. Oh, this is beautiful. So the rice looks good. Most of the water is absorbed here. Give this a stir. So now all I need to do, I'm going to add a cup of frozen peas, and then I have 1 lemon here. I'm going to zest. This is just something I love to do. It gives a very nice citrusy flavor. And then I'm going to cut the lemon in half and then add some of the lemon juice here. Give everything a good stir. At this point, you want to be careful with the rice. You don't want to break it. I'm going to turn off the heat. Leave this for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after resting the rice for about 5 minutes, fold in all the cilantro, but leave some for garnishing, and then squeeze more lemon juice. So there you have it, my friends, a delicious and easy to make rice vegetable dish or side dish that you can make any day of the week to complement either your chicken, your beef, or fish. Serve it family style that it was made in, or just put it on a platter, set it on the table, and you are definitely going to enjoy it. If you are vegetarian, this is a perfect dish all by itself. So thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Just remember to comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Give me a like and watch more of my videos. I will see you soon.